Welcome to another mini video from 2dgameartguru.com. Today I want to show you how to use clip groups in Inkscape. Inkscape offers various ways to clip and mask objects. I have a photo and I create a rectangle on top. First up, I choose the clip option. I go to set clip and the image is clipped by the border, but I have no editable object. The same goes for the mask. In this case, the mask just trims it to the wide area, which is the stroke. I need to have a fill to make that work, and then I get the mask that I want. The mask relies on the color. If I choose a black mask, I won't see anything because the lightness of the color matters for the mask. The lighter the color, the more opaque the image is. The darker it is, the more transparent it gets. For the gray colors, it's pretty straightforward, but the same applies for colors. If I choose a red, I get a 50% transparency. If I look at the HSL value of the red in the fill, I can see the lightness is set to 50%. The lighter the color is, the more opaque it gets. The darker the color, the more transparent the mask will be. Rather than these two options, I prefer to use clip groups. I select my object, set a clip group, which creates a new group inside my layer tree, which has a subgroup called clip. Inside the clip is my vector shape of the rectangle. Anything I place inside the group will be clipped by whatever is in the clip group. Both objects remain fully editable. I can apply effects, I can scale, rotate, or add more objects to them. Let's make it slightly more complex. Instead of just having two elements, I have a border, a frame, and additional elements. I can take the image and set a clip to the frame, but unless I release the clip, it is no longer editable. I undo the clip and make it a clip group instead. Now the rectangle is the clip object inside the clip group. I move the image inside. I can also copy and paste elements inside this group, and the photo is now clipped to my rectangle. It's easy to add to the clip shape. When I take the vector shape of the king I created earlier and move it inside the clip group, it adds to the area that is visible. The clip object can consist of more than one element, so I could have 5 or 6 rectangles to clip my photo. I can also change the rectangle on a node level. At the moment it's a rectangle, but I could convert it to a path and change the nodes or combine it with another shape. I can take the vector shape of the king and cut it from the rectangle by using the path difference. Now I have one new vector path that is my clip shape. When I change the color of the object underneath, you can see the cutout. I can add more shapes to either the content or the clip. I can take a text element, increase the size so we can see, and cut that one out just like I did with the image prior. Select both the rectangle and the text element, use the path difference, and it changes the clipped area, cutting out the letters. It is a way more flexible and versatile approach than the clip or the mask. I often use the clip group for shading, having my base shape and all the highlights and shadows are located inside the clip group to make sure nothing overlaps the main shape. If you haven't played with clip groups before, I would strongly suggest giving it a try. They are an incredibly helpful addition to your vector design skill set. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification icon to make sure you don't miss my next videos. Leave a like and a comment to let me know what you want to see on this channel, and I will see you again soon.